everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with a new video. Now today's video is not going to be a product review. I'm introducing a product to you. I was asked to review this product. I have not reviewed it yet, but I wanted to basically just show you guys what the product looks like and tell you guys a little bit information about the product. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, a company by the name, I think it's Jolicoeur. I'm quite sure I'm butchering that, but so sorry if I did. Reached out to me and asked me to review their Magic Anti-Aging Eye Cream. So this is how it looks in this little box. Very cute. The box is cute. Packaging is cute, and on the back it has directions. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll get into that in a moment. Ooh, this is cute. So this is how the eye cream looks in this plastic, I think it's plastic, little container, but as y'all can see, there's gold in the middle. That is so cute. Already caught my eye. Okay. Smells good. Y'all know I love me some good smelling stuff. So, of course y'all can't really see, but the cream is in there. There we go. That is how the eye cream looks. So let me go ahead and tell you guys a little bit of information about their anti-aging eye cream. Now, they have a lot of different products, so I'm really interested in trying some of this stuff. But I am currently on their website, so I will definitely leave the website link down below in the description box so you guys can check out their website. Right now I'm trying to, there we go, I'm trying to find the anti-aging cream. So again, it's called the Magic Anti-Aging Eye Cream. It retails for $35. They do have Afterpay, so for any products that you guys see, if you're familiar with Afterpay, where you can just pay less, like you pay your order in 4 payments. So they have Afterpay, but it retails for $35. It is known to firm, rejuvenate, repair, and soothe fragile skin under the eye. These 3 ingredients combined with dozens of anti-botanicals, pure cold pressed plant oils, as well as a plethora, y'all know me, of organic vitamins and minerals will leave your eye area soft and hydrated with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles dramatically reduced. So it has matrix, I don't know, okay? But I'm screen recording so you guys can see. Definitely has vitamin C in there, so that's good. Blueberry extract, cranberry extract, all of that stuff. So it says how to use. Cleanse and dry your skin thoroughly before applying the product. Use your ring finger, lightly dab a small amount of product under the eyes. Wait 2 minutes before applying other products or makeup. For best results, use with our luminous under eye brightening cream. And always make sure to apply SPF 50+ prior to sun exposure. So it's formulated without parabens, petroleum, pesticides, all of that. I am definitely interested in trying this, so I will be adding this into my skincare routine. I was using eye cream before, but sometimes it's kind of hard for me to add new things, you know, do new habits with certain stuff. But I do need to start using eye cream again, because I think that helps with the creasing under your eye. So yeah, I will definitely start using this, and maybe I'll do like a talk through skincare routine. Lord. I will probably do a talk through skincare routine and give you guys an update about this eye cream within the video. So I will start using this very soon. But I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this product. I'm really excited to review it, and I really do hope it works. It sounds like it does. Sounds like some good stuff. So we will see. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one.